What is e-commerce? 5 things you should know about e-commerce. Please like this video and subscribe our channel, Earn Online with Rabina, for more videos. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods or services over the internet. Here are 5 things you should know about e-commerce. 1. E-commerce allows businesses to reach a global market, as customers can purchase products from anywhere with an internet connection. 2. Many e-commerce platforms offer features like shopping carts and payment gateways to make the online shopping experience easy and convenient for customers. 3. E-commerce can be conducted through a variety of channels, including online marketplaces like Amazon, directly through a business's own website, or through social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. 4. Security is an important consideration in e-commerce, as sensitive information like credit card numbers and personal data needs to be protected from cyber threats. 5. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop and do business, and it continues to evolve and change as technology advances.